What's up, guys? So we do have a beer review. We are using the Miller Cup, and this is the palate cleanser today, Coors Banquet. We all know everybody loves Coors Banquet. We are using the Bacardi Oak Heart glass because I like it. And we're gonna put this off to the side, and here is the beer review. I like the can. I definitely like the art and the belching beaver. You know, kind of looks like a hamster almost. The Phantom Bride, named after the ethereal song by the one day and only Deftones Phantom Bride IPA. But yeah, it is a 7.1% ABV. And it says damn good time, and we're gonna crack this open. Oh yeah. Pour it right in there. And that looks like gasoline. This is an IPA, as you all see on the can. Alright. Leave that right there. I'm actually gonna push this camera so that way you guys can see everything. Get a little smell. Well, that's definitely an IPA right there. You know, you can always tell an IPA because it always smells so strong and sweet and very, very hoppy. It's like taking a bag of fresh hops and just smelling it. That's literally what this smells like. Let's give it a taste. It's not bad. It's pretty smooth. And for being 7%, I was expecting like a huge, just in your face like taste, but no, this is actually not bad for an IPA. Serve cold, drink fresh, damn good times. That's what it says right there. But yeah, Belching Beaver, they have not let me down yet. Very good beer. I give this beer 10 out of 10. Let's give it one more good taste. But yeah. And you guys know, I'm not a huge IPA guy. Not a huge IPA guy, but there are some IPAs out there that actually deserve a 10 out of 10 because they are superb and they are good. Now, I do like my other beers, but this one, 10 out of 10. If you guys haven't tried Belching Beaver, definitely give them a try. Stay thirsty, everybody.